Riwruok makedo ne ratiro mar jotich pacho kamano kotu Francis Atwoli koro wuok oko mar sundo ni riembe tich jatend migao mar Omenda Njuguna kuom lando ni agut sirkal onge omenda mag siro bad migepe mag sirkal. Koloso Kisumu, Atwoli wacho ni weche makamago okelo luoro e chuny Jo-Kenya. Wacho ni ting' ma Njuguna nitiere godo achiel kuomgi en manyo yore mag manyo kaka sirkal nyalo bedo gi pesa. Omedo ni nitiere mwandu mathoth kata alwora mar nam lolwe modiwo to gin mago ma sirkal nyalo loso go pesa.
If no one comes out with the report, not to cry the way he was crying. This government is broke. I cannot even be able to pay salaries. We are struggling to pay salaries. If I was Ruto, I would sack him the following day. I will sack him. I will sack him. Because we are your mama. So you don't complain. We don't want to be a nation of complaining. We want, if you complain, give a suggestion. We as trade unionists, we have written. We have written to Treasury, we have written to everybody, we have written to Central Bank, suggesting how this economy can be rejuvenated.